Dobermans love watermelon, if you didn't know. Not the rind. Eat the good part. There's a good girl. Apollo, you want watermelon too? No. Rosie says you can't have it. You know why Dobermans love watermelon? Because really, they're black. Oh, that's racist. Fuck. But you know what I mean. Not the rind. That's gross. Rosie really loves watermelon. Yes, she loves watermelon.